Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to a very fun little Saturday date day with me and Con. We have a kind of whole day planned, but also not super planned. We're playing a lot of it by ear. We don't know exactly what we're doing, but we knew that we wanted to do something really fun together, just the two of us, because it is our last weekend together in LA for the rest of the year, which is pretty crazy. I can't believe that this timeline is sneaking up so quickly. Also, can you tell I slept with mascara on last night? Sorry, kind of looking a mess. But I'm just about to start getting ready because we want to leave very soon, and clearly I'm still in my pajamas. Just was really tired. It's been a long couple of days. Obviously we had Revolve Winterland, which is the last thing that you guys saw, and yesterday we went out with friends because it was kind of the last day that we could all get together. So I'm a little tired, but that's okay. I'm really looking forward to today. And one thing that we definitely know that we're doing is we are driving to Solvang today, which is this little Dutch-German little town here in California. It's about 2 hours north of us. I stopped in once before on my own when I was doing a solo road trip. Connor's never been, so we're really excited. And yeah, we're kind of just playing the day by ear. We might pop over to Santa Barbara. We might just hang in Solvang. We might spend the night there. We might come back home tonight. We're just kind of rolling with the punches today, seeing what we feel like doing. So I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a fun day. And let's go get ready now. We were supposed to be leaving literally right now, but that clearly is not happening. We are,
too, actually.
Yes, pretty much ready to go. Connor just ran and got us Starbucks. Thank you, Con.
No problem.
Super excited about this. I was craving it. I needed it. I wanted it. And I got it. So good. It's hitting the spot. Also, hi. Just why? Why? As I said, Con and I are not totally sure if we're gonna stay the night there or not. We think probably not. That's the plan, is to come back tonight. But just in case, we want to pack a few little things. So toothbrush, makeup wipes. We're literally this is gonna be our entire bag that we're bringing. Okay.
Just in case bag.
Exactly. Makeup wipes, a toothbrush. I don't know that I really need anything else.
I'm pumped though.
Yeah, I'm excited too. It's gonna be really fun. And some deodorant, why not? Okay, Molly, go with Coco.
Outside time.
Come on, go. Trust me, you're gonna wanna go. Giving her 3 minutes of outside time because we're feeling guilty about leaving her. But also we gotta hit the road. I think that's all good. That's solid. Oh, you know what I'm gonna bring is my birth control because that's responsible, and my DIM supplements because might as well. And that is it. That's our overnight bag. Oh. Let's bring a phone charger. Yes. And let's grab Connor's charger too. He's gonna be very happy that I thought of this. And I'll grab his Kindle while we're here too. Connor?
Yep.
Tell me I'm a genius.
You're a genius.
Because I thought, you know what we should pack? Our phone chargers.
Genius.
Genius. Okay, I think we're pretty much ready to go. So let's do it. Officially arrived in Solvang. We're so excited.
Already looks so cute.
Yes, oh my god, it's adorable. We're also laughing at ourselves because we didn't check the weather at all, and it says it's gonna rain most of the day. But right now it's not raining, so it's fine, and we have an umbrella, and so we don't really care at all.
It's the issues of living in California.
Yeah, we didn't even think to check the weather. But yeah, it's gonna be super fun. We're excited. Okay, we're stopping into Sanger Family Wines. Con and I are doing a little tasting flight here. They had 2 different flights, so we each are getting one of them. We'll try both. So, starting off with white. Cheers. Happy date day.
Happy date day.
Ooh, that is so yummy. Ooh, pairing lobster mac and cheese with that
I
right
saw
now.
that, I was like, Jim. And honestly, this one works for me. I'm pairing an Instagram-worthy charcuterie board or Thai basil chicken curry. You know I love my chicken curry.
Yep, and an Instagram-worthy cheese board.
That's true.
Both are really good.
Cheers.
Smelling them is you can really smell the difference.
Right?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Pretty yummy, right?
That one was good too.
Yeah.
Actually, I like this one better.
There you go, works out. Got a little cheese board here with their homemade olive oils, their own olive oils. So we have a classic, a balsamic, a basil, and a jalapeno. So really excited to try those. A bunch of different kinds of wines, some chocolate, and we are on to our second tasting now. Mine is super interesting because it has hints of banana in it, which is kind of crazy, but it's really good. It's not like overly banana-y or anything. I'm not like super into banana.
Pretty
so
wild.
it tastes really good. This, you get a lot of the honeysuckle.
Okay.
A lot of it. It's really good. Oh, yours is really delicious also.
Yours is more subtle, I'd say. Well, maybe it's more smooth because of that banana.
Yeah.
Like that's fruity. Like you can taste
Yeah.
the fruit.
So good. Really into it. We're on to the red wines now.
Well, we broke.
And yeah, we have instantly decided that we should spend the night here.
So happy about it. It's too
Yeah,
cute.
it's so cute. Like, and we just want to be able to enjoy ourselves, not worry about having to like drive back or anything, or being unsafe. Obviously, there's a hotel literally right here at this winery that we're at, which is super cute. And we were like, we asked, "Do you have a room?" They were like, "Yes, we have a manager special too." So
It was great.
it was fake, but you know, it's not shocking that this is a decision that we made.
No.
It's really not. There you go. We have a hotel room, and we're gonna hit a couple more wineries probably.
Yeah.
Just checked into our hotel room. We are staying at the Stolpman, or am I making that up? That doesn't sound. Oh no,
No.
it's the Lansbury.
Yeah. I was gonna,
Yeah. Also, I was like, that
Lansby?
doesn't sound. Oh, Lansby. Yeah, sure. I was like, Stolpman doesn't sound exactly right. Lansby. Anyway, very cute little vibe in here. Let's see what's over in this direction. It is a nice bathroom. Love it. Beautiful hotel here, honestly.
Yeah, we'll take it.
Yeah, for sure. Picked a couple wines and other bits out from that winery that we were at. We were there for like 2.5 hours, which is hilarious.
We only did one tasting.
The bartender that was there was really, he was just giving us as many wines as he could.
Yeah.
Not that we're complaining, obviously.
While he was drinking some
Yes.
of them himself.
Anyway, let's do a little
He
haul.
was great though.
He was so great. Christian, shout out to you. So we have this Marianello. This is a Nebbiolo 2019.
Unreal.
We tried the 2018 during our tasting and fell in love. They were all out of the 2018. We literally got a tasting of the last bottle they had in stock. So we got the 2019. I'm sure it'll still be absolutely delicious. And then we also got a bottle of the Tre Anelli Averino, which Averino is one of my favorite kinds of white wines, and this one was so good.
And we're not a big white wine, as you guys know.
Yeah, but this one
we were
was
obsessed.
amazing.
No, we were like, okay.
Yeah,
Maybe
and-
we just need to be more specific about what whites we're buying.
Totally. And then aside from that, actually, I'm not going to show it because it's just a couple little
Gift for you, Karen.
Christmas gift kind of
Yeah.
vibes for my parents. Maybe Connor's parents also, ideally, but we're going to see how much I can fit into a bag.
Larry and Gail, if you don't get it, I can assure you that we will enjoy it very much.
100%. They're not watching this video anyway, so it's all
true.
good.
That is true.
My parents, on the other hand, I know they're watching, so we're not going to show the other things that we picked out.
Should we put the white in the fridge in case we want that?
We don't want it. We're gonna want the red. So it's 4 p.m. We have a 6:30 dinner reservation here at our hotel at the restaurant here. We heard really good things about it. The menu looks amazing. So super excited. So I think in the meantime, what we're gonna do is kind of walk around a little.
Check out the knick-knack shops.
Yeah, there's so many cute little shops around, holiday shops. Like check out all the Christmas trees, all that. It is raining quite a bit, so I don't know that I'll film that much in between, like while we're walking around
Which
places.
sucks.
Of course, I'll try to like
'Cause
show
it's
you guys
super
some
cute.
vibes for sure, but it'll probably be a little limited just because it is raining pretty hard out there.
Look how cute this place is.
It's so cute. Yeah, I'll give you guys a little POV in a sec. But I think that's our plan. We're gonna walk around a little bit. If we have time before dinner, we're gonna pop into one other winery maybe, grab another drink or maybe another tasting, probably more like another drink, and then head to dinner. And that's currently our plan. And yeah, obviously we're staying here tonight now, which we're very excited about. It's gonna be a really good time.
Big schedule. Big schedule.
Big schedule for the evening. It's very exciting.
Very
so.
stressful.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you our cute little view here. First of all, the fact that there's shutters on the windows, like adorable that you can just like pop her open. Feels very wholesome. And yeah, I mean, you can get the vibe of the buildings. They're all Tudor style, clearly. It's giving it's giving the Danish vibes that we're looking for. We're in a little Christmas shop here, and it's so cute. Oh my gosh. They have like a ton of ornaments, Christmas trees. These ornaments are pretty cute. So pretty. These cute little nutcrackers, all these little characters over here. These guys, why does he have a lantern in his mouth? Unless he's smoking something. I don't know. So we stopped by the car and picked up our toiletries and our Kindles. And it is pouring outside, like downpour. And our umbrella is not, well, the whole thing has broken at this point. It's not a very steady umbrella to begin with, and now it's completely broken. So
I think we need to throw it out. Hope for the best of the hotel.
yeah, I'm just gonna put like my jacket over my head, like that, and hope for the best from there. We stopped into a restaurant that we thought we were gonna grab a drink at, but they were like, it's gonna be 45 minutes, which we were not waiting 45 minutes, obviously, during pouring rain. But I asked the guy who worked there, like, do you know anywhere where I could buy a hair tie? Because my hair was starting to get very curly from the rain, and I was like, I need to just be able to put it up so I don't look like a psycho. Yeah. And he was like, I have hair ties in my car. So the guy ran through the rain and got me hair ties, which I felt terrible about because we weren't even staying there because they couldn't see us. Like,
He didn't know that.
he did not know, but shout out to that man for having hair ties in his car and bringing them to me. He didn't even have long hair, so this must be for a girl who he's seen or something that he keeps hair ties available, which props to you, sir, and thank you for sharing with me because my hair will be 1000% curly by the time we make it back to our hotel room tonight. What are you gonna do? It's totally fine. Honestly, we are making the best of this evening regardless.
We're having a great time.
We are at Dana V's winery now, having a glass of wine. Cheers.
Yummy cap. Honestly, it's very cute. Like,
It is. They're playing like Christmas music in here. They have lights on their windows. We are at our hotel bar now because we have dinner. Oh, in like about 10 minutes. So we should put our drinks down. But I got an espresso martini. Connor got a beer. Cheers. Love you. What?
Forever and ever.
Oh, yeah.
It's been such a nice little day.
It has. It's been such a good time, and yeah, we have dinner in, as I said, about 10 minutes. So we're going to be heading
And the menu looks
to.
pretty fucking great. So.
Yeah, we're very excited. It's going to be really good. We're at dinner now. We just got some bread with a little tomato sauce on the side, which I know you're excited about, Con, because anything tomato based.
It's a win for me.
But it does look amazing. I'm super excited as well. Connor is disturbed.
We messed up.
We did mess up.
We had 2 appetizers that took us about an hour 40 to eat, maybe an hour and a half, and yet somehow we did not capture it.
No, we showed you nothing. This is the Chiapino, and it has a lot of seafood and a nice red sauce situation.
A little bisque.
We're loving everything. It's just that we've reached a point of not thinking about my camera, I guess. Good morning, friends. It is 9:30 and we are just about to check out. It's a little bit nicer today, although apparently it's gonna rain again, but we, come on, camera. Nope, doesn't want you to see. Okay. I don't have enough hands to fix that, so sorry. It looks like a much nicer day out right now, so we're actually going to walk around a little bit before we leave. That way we can
See a bit of it.
see Solvang, because that's the whole point that we came here to do, because it's super cute. And we didn't get to do that at all because of the rain yesterday. So we're gonna walk around a little and then head home. Look at all the cute Christmas decorations. I love it. Everything is so decked out here. It's adorable.
Jill's paradise.
Yeah, seriously. Taking this vlog clip for my phone because just like that, it's raining on us again.
Yep. So sorry.
So
We're probably not gonna get a lot.
we're gonna walk around a little bit right here, but yeah, I can't really take my camera out. I'm gonna get some clips on my phone, but yeah, I'm not ruining my camera in a rainstorm, so great. Love this for us. Cute little brewing company here with a little windmill. We were just saying we would have loved to sit outside at a place like this yesterday.
Yeah, you know, we're doing scouting.
Exactly,
Next time we
for
come
our
here.
next trip. Because we did join the wine club here. Hilarious. They just ship you wines, but you also get free tastings. So we're gonna have to come back, I guess. Oh, so cute in here. All the little knickknacks.
Speaking of Christmas memories, so you get that for Gail?
Yes. I pay money to see your mom wear that. The candles here smell so good. This one too. It smells amazing. Lots of cute little bath stuff too. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is like pouring rain again. It's so sad for us. So much for walking around. Oh well. Thank you. It's literally, look at this one. It's like going up the straw. I'm trying to push it. Okay, there we go. I was like, oh my god, that is so good.
Oh, I love it.
Well, Solvang, we are obsessed with you.
Yeah.
Despite the shitty weather. We cannot wait to come back, but I think we'll check the weather forecast next time.
Yep.
Learned our lesson, and we will come more prepared.
Back to Molly Cat.
Now back to sweet Molly Cat.
But seriously, such a cute town. The
Oh my God,
drive
yeah.
is really pretty.
Absolutely. We had so much fun, and
More to
it's really
do than we expected, too.
so much more. I kind of thought that was one of those places that you just kind of walk around a little, and that was really it. But there was a lot to do and a lot of things to see that we didn't even get to because of the situation at hand. So anyway, back home to LA now. Well, we're popping back to Solvang quickly because the hotel called and Con left his AirPods at the hotel, and luckily we were still right here, so we're just running back. But we are literally dying because look at the weather right now in Solvang. Bright blue skies, literally no rain, sunny. Like, what is going on? Why as soon as we leave
But I
is it
guarantee you
perfect
now that
weather?
we've come back,
The clouds will be rolling back
in.
in. Like, what's going on here? It's so weird. We're home. We got lunch delivered. Got some California Chicken Cafe, which looks so good. This is literally the biggest salad ever. I'm obsessed. And of course, we're watching the Eagles game. So let's go Birds. It's been a very chill day here, as expected, on a Sunday. Dinner just arrived, but we have literally just been chilling, reading, scrolling, watching. We watched some White Lotus because we were an episode behind. So now we just have the season finale, so really excited to finish that this week and finally figure out what the heck is going on. So crazy. Now we're just watching a little bit of football because me and Connor are playing each other in fantasy, and it's super, super close right now. So
Jill's making a massive comeback.
I am. I had literally like a 3% chance of winning before.
It's her year, to be fair.
It's my year of fantasy. What can I say? I really thought that this was going to be the week that I lost, but maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, let me show you the sushi that we got. So we got this like 10-piece sushi where we have scallops, spicy scallops, salmon, albacore, and crab. And then over here we have a couple different rolls. I think this one's a sexy roll. Spicy tuna roll, and then a spicy scallop roll. Looks so good. I'm so excited. End of the night here. It is 9:44 p.m. and that is definitely our bedtime on a Sunday, and I'm very excited to climb into our bed and just get nice and cozy. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us to Solvang, and yeah, coming along on our kind of last little date day of the year here in Los Angeles, which is so crazy. Like, I can't believe how soon we leave LA. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.